Hey everyone! Today, we are downloading, installing, and running LM Studio completely from scratch right on your Windows machine. LM Studio is an incredible, user-friendly desktop application that lets you discover, download, and run open-source large language models locally, without needing any technical terminal commands or internet dependencies. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, let's get LM Studio downloaded. Open up your web browser, navigate to lmstudio.ai, and hit the Download for Windows button on the homepage. Once the installer executable file finishes downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder, double-click to run it, and follow the simple on-screen prompts. The installer will handle all the setup dependencies automatically, and once it finishes, the application will launch. With LM Studio open, let's go ahead and find a model to run. On the Welcome screen, you can use the search bar right in the middle, or head over to the Discover tab in the left sidebar. Let's type in a popular local model, like Llama 3 or Qwen. You'll see a list of available GPU variants quantized by the community. For standard setups with 16 GB of RAM, look for a small all-rounder variant like a 3B or 7B model. Click the Download button next to your chosen file, and you can watch the download progress right at the bottom of the screen. Once your model finishes downloading, let's head over to the chat icon in the left sidebar to start using it. Look at the top of the interface, and click the drop-down menu that says Select a Model to load. Choose the model we just downloaded, and you'll see LM Studio load it directly into your system memory. If you have a dedicated graphics card, you can use the hardware settings on the right panel to offload the model layers to your GPU VRAM for lightning-fast token generation. Now that the model is loaded, you can type any prompt into the chat box at the bottom. You'll get instant, offline responses generated 100% locally and privately on your machine, completely free of any cloud APIs or usage limits. And that is all it takes to get LM Studio up and running on Windows.